guys, on today's video we're just going to be unboxing this guy right here, this pump. So let's just get started. Opening up the box. So we only get this inside the box as per instructions, but it's very easy anyways to set this up. But anyways, this is how it looks like. It's very lightweight, that I gotta say. It's very lightweight, which can be an okay thing. It can be bad at the same time. Lightweight, usually bad quality, but this feels okay. It has some grip here. Pretty standard, pretty small. I would call this small. Turn it on, off from here. Regular plug. And it comes with these 3 attachments. Usually what you don't want to do is cut this out. So you could, but usually you don't. So you can just put them in like so. Lock it in. And there you go. So that's one of them. This is the other one. So here we go. And the very last one, just the one I think I'm gonna use the most, is this one right here. So that looks like so. Design wise, standard design, nothing fancy about it. I was trying to see if this can fit up here, although I don't see ever doing that myself, but sometimes when you want to deflate things, then you'll do it this way. So you could attach this here as well. So you can attach it down here, because that's set up there, and it has those pins there, so you can attach it up here as well. So both ways. So I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can see. So all I did was plug it in, and I'm gonna just turn it on. It's gonna be very loud. That would be noise level. I can compare it to a hair dryer, and it would be maybe 3 times as loud. Let me see. Yeah, definitely 3 times as loud as a hair dryer. So not something you want to have on for too long, at least, because it's not a nice sound. So the air comes out from here, takes in it from here. That's why you would have to put this here if you want to deflate. When you inflate something, you put it there. That's what it's for, after all. So this is just for air, it's not for water. Some people are looking for stuff that can handle water. This is not it. This is just air, and that's all it does. So you probably want to buy this if you want to inflate things really quick. This is the way to go. And pretty much anything because of this. So you guys can attach it to an air mattress, for example, or almost anything really. But anyways, this is just an unboxing video. If this is not that great, I will be making a review. If it's really great, I will be making a review anyways. But as far as this unboxing goes, we're all done. That's all you guys get in the box. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.